Oh, I am here with new question. 15 minus 5 times 3 minus 1. 15 minus 5 will be equal to 10. And 3 minus 1 will be equal to 2. And 10 times 2 will be equal to 20 will be our answer. But here we have mentioned that answer should not be 20. So we will solve it again by using order of operation. So according to PEMDAS principle, first of all, we have to solve parentheses, and parentheses have 3 minus 1. So 15 minus 5 times 3 minus 1 will be equal to 2. Now according to PEMDAS exponent, which is not involved in this, so we have to multiply, which is 5 times 2. So we will get 15 minus 10. So 15 minus 10 will be equal to 5, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my video.